Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on storage sense for Windows 11. So to turn on your storage sense to free up space automatically, here's a simple guide on how to do that. So make sure you click on the Windows Start button, click on the Windows Start, then click on Settings. Then from there click on System, then click on Storage. Then from here make sure that storage sense is turned on for automatic free up space whenever it's required, and this will help you free up space when required automatically without you have to do it by yourself. And that's a simple way on how you can simply turn on storage sense on your Windows 11. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.